Dad. Mr. Kim next door gets a check every month. He literally sits on his porch. No job. How is that a life that exists?
Mr. Kim worked very hard, 20 years ago. He's just collecting the results now.
What? Work hard once and get paid forever? How? Tell me everything. Right now.
Not exactly once. But close enough. Sit. This is the topic that separates people who build wealth from people who just earn paychecks. Active income. You show up, you get paid. You stop showing up. The money stops. 100% of most people's income.
So mowing lawns is active. And whatever Mr. Kim has is passive.
Exactly. Active is the engine you drive. Passive is the engine that drives itself. You built it, maybe, but now it runs.
This is why rich people have too much free time. Their engines run while they golf.
Surprisingly astute. Yes. Freedom is having income that doesn't require your presence.
Okay. 4 types. Hit me.
Dividends, company profits paid to shareholders. Rental income, tenant pays you monthly. Royalties, someone uses your idea forever. Interest, your money earns rent at a bank.
Royalties. So if I write a song and it blows up, I get paid every time it plays. For life.
For life and beyond, estates still collect. Except you have to actually write a song that blows up. That part's the catch.
Dividends seem most realistic for me. How do those work exactly?
Some companies pay shareholders a portion of profits every quarter. Own $1,000 of a 4% dividend stock, $40 lands in your account every year. You did nothing.
$40 for doing nothing. That's like finding money in a jacket. Every year. On schedule.
And if you reinvest those $40 into more shares, compound growth kicks in. 40 becomes 42 next year, 44 the year after. The jacket gets bigger.
What's a REIT? I've seen it written places. Sounds like sweet without the S.
Real estate investment trust. You buy a tiny slice of a bunch of rental properties, apartment buildings, malls, hospitals. They pay out 90% of their profits as dividends. By law.
Okay, there has to be a catch. Nobody just gets passive income. What's the price?
Exactly right to ask. Every passive income stream costs someone heavily upfront, time, money, or both. Mr. Kim bought rental properties for 20 years. That was not passive.
So, passive income is a lie. It's just delayed active income.
That's genuinely one of the smartest things you've said all week. Yes. You front-load the work. Then the system pays you back for years.
Realistically. Me. 15. How do I start? I have maybe $200.
Step 1, open that Roth IRA we talked about. Step 2, put your $200 into a dividend index fund. Step 3, never touch it. That's genuinely it.
$200 today becomes what when I'm Dad's age? Actually, how old are you?
Old enough to know that 200 at 15, at 10% for 50 years, becomes over.
That's one lawn. I mowed one lawn and eventually it's worth 23 grand.
Best lawn you ever mowed. And Mr. Kim mowed 1,000 of them.
If passive income is so great, why doesn't everyone just do it?
You need either time or money to start. Most people burn all their money on stuff before they invest any of it. And future me always seems less real than right now pizza.
I mean, pizza is real and immediate. Future me is theoretical.
Future you will be very real at 65. And he'll either thank you or be furious. You choose now which one it is. What does Mr. Kim actually have that most people don't?
Patience from 20 years ago. And now he gets porch checks while I mow lawns.
But you, right now, are in the exact same position Mr. Kim was at your age. You have time he doesn't have anymore.
I need to go open a Roth IRA and mow 7 more lawns.
Go get M. Next time, leverage, why billionaires borrow money on purpose. Spoiler, it's not because they forgot they're rich.